So look at this video, Will Smith eating spaghetti. So this was kind of our first introduction to AI generated videos. But just a month ago, the OpenAI released their new AI model called Sora, and which is insane at creating video. Just look at these. They look absolutely realistic and it actually feels like someone actually shot them. But in reality, they are all truly 100% AI generated. By looking at all this, we all must be thinking that will AI replace content creators? Well, the answer is somewhat yes. The website which used to create stock images, they are gonna literally take a huge hit by this. But I do feel content creators like us will still survive. And there's a reason why. See, so what is a good content creator? A good content creator is someone who is relatable and can form the emotional bond with the audience. Absolutely, people are not gonna watch the AI generated video because it is so easy to tell that, because they are too bland, they lack the human emotion. Because human emotions are so nuanced to be recreated by any AI, but AI models which we have today are years behind in replicating that conscious level of human emotions, actually, until we achieve AGI. So AGI is interesting thing. I have made a short on it, so do check it out. AGI. And so yeah, getting back to content creators. So content creators should look AI models like Sora and other or whatever AI models we have. We should only see them as tools, not threat, because we can use them and create our content faster and better. Just imagine a YouTuber wanted a drone shot of a volcano, and that YouTuber does not have a drone and he doesn't live near any volcano. So that YouTuber just now could write a prompt to an AI that give me a drone shot of a volcano, and that AI will generate multiple variations of that video and he could use it. Like, it's so simple. Before, he would have to plan a trip to a specific location and spend money and all that, but now he can do with just a few lines of text. That's incredible for content creators. So content creators are not gonna get replaced, so forget about it. So what do I feel about these code generating, video generating AI models? So somewhat a junior or beginner level jobs or content creators might get replaced. In fact, the creator would start using the AI instead of just sitting in front of camera and recording himself. So my personal opinion on Devin, I made a short on that. That was pretty poorly scripted. It was my first shot and I didn't know how to concise a video in 1 minute. So that was kind of poorly written and the comments definitely show that. So yeah, the Devin is sort of a marketing demo showing the capabilities what Devin could actually do. It's not something that's released into the market straight away. It's far behind what we are actually considering it. But that shows the capability of AI in which direction it's actually going. So in near future, what the AI scenario will look like. So I think basic level jobs like junior developer and stuff might get a little hit. So people who are already there learning the skills will use these AIs just as tools. But there would be definitely some other kind of junior level job which would be there for freshers. See, so this kind of changes will keep happening in the industry like every 10 to 15 years. We are kind of lucky ones who are able to witness all this, and it's kind of great time to be alive, like witnessing all this. It's kind of interesting. So yeah, this is Aniro signing off, and if you don't want to get replaced by AI, so see, there's an interesting thing. Many YouTubers have a punchline that they repeat in every single video, and I guess I just found mine. So yeah, just listen. So it's like, if you don't want to get replaced by AI, consider subscribing.
Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step